Welcome to our channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a subject that has both fascinated and terrified us: quicksand.
Quicksand is not a liquid, but a mixture of sand, water, and air, creating a unique behavior that appears liquid-like.
Did you know that quicksand can be found anywhere from riverbanks to beaches? It's more common than you might think.
In movies, quicksand is often portrayed as a deadly trap. While it can be dangerous, most people can escape if they remain calm.
Quicksand forms when sand becomes saturated with water, reducing friction and allowing the grains to slide against each other.
The higher the water content, the more unstable the quicksand becomes, resulting in that infamous sinking sensation.
Some experts say that quicksand can actually support weight. It's when the water levels rise that the danger increases.
One fascinating property of quicksand is that the more you struggle, the more you sink. It's counterintuitive.
In ancient times, quicksand was often thought to be cursed or a supernatural force, a testament to its mysterious nature.
There are many myths surrounding quicksand, one being that you can sink completely without a trace. This is very rare.
In reality, quicksand can't fully swallow a human since our bodies are less dense than the sand-water mixture. Most quicksand pits are only a few feet deep, meaning that while it's uncomfortable, you're unlikely to disappear entirely. In certain areas like the Mississippi River, quicksand is a natural occurrence, but it fluctuates with changing water levels.
Some quicksand zones can be identified by noticing areas where sand seems to be unusually well drained or liquefied.
Animals, especially those near water bodies, have learned to navigate quicksand effectively with their instincts.
Surprisingly, even native tribes in Africa and South America have used quicksand for trapping prey.
Safety tips when dealing with quicksand include moving slowly and trying to roll to spread your weight over a larger area.
Another technique involves leaning backward to distribute your weight while pulling your feet free.
In research labs, scientists have recreated quicksand in controlled environments to study its properties more closely.
The viscosity of quicksand can vary based on the grain size of the sand used in its formation.
Interestingly, there are variations of quicksand like mud pits and various other mixtures that lead to similar behavior. In culture, quicksand has appeared in countless films, often leading to dramatic rescue scenarios that heighten tension.
Typically, quicksand is seen as an adventure plot device, showcasing how characters overcome dire situations.
Researchers are currently studying quicksand's properties to understand its potential applications in civil engineering.
Scientists observe that quicksand can also reveal information about geological shifts and movements in the Earth.
In survival training, quicksand scenarios are discussed. It teaches individuals to remain calm and rational during panic situations.
Quicksand has also caught the attention of poets and writers, used metaphorically to describe feelings of being trapped.
There exist several documented incidents of quicksand accidents, reminding us to stay cautious when exploring nature.
And finally, while quicksand is certainly captivating, learning the facts and myths helps us to appreciate its complexity. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this deep dive into quicksand, like, subscribe, and let us know your thoughts below.